We're gonna go over to the left again. So we're gonna reach that left arm down. You know the drill by now. Push off the back of the shoulder, come up. We're gonna go straight into our high oblique sit. Reach, reach, reach. From here, we're gonna push so hard through our left thigh and our right foot that we actually upright ourselves into a bit of a side plank. So do a little check here. Is your shoulder engaged? Is your neck away from your ear, away from your shoulder? Are you squeezing so hard in that bottom leg that you're not collapsing through that side? Reach as far as you can. Make the longest line you can between your left hand and your right hand, and look up towards the ceiling. If you want an extra challenge, lift that right leg off the ground. 2 more breaths here. You got this. Keep pushing. Keep reaching. Good. Okay, if your leg is up, bring that right leg down first. Then you're gonna actively pull your left hip down towards the ground. Make sure you don't collapse in the shoulder so that movement comes through the hip. Then we can rotate that palm, then bend the elbow, and then roll back into our starting position. I shifted quite a bit on that one. All right, let's go over to the right. So right arm comes down. Again, you know the drill. Pull that shoulder blade into the floor. Reach as you roll. Come up into that high oblique sit. Do a little check here first. And then push so hard through that right leg that you upright yourself into that modified side plank. Do a little check here. Is your shoulder back, or are you dumping forward? Is that shoulder pushing away from that ear? Are you making a nice straight line between the right hand and the left hand? If you want that extra challenge, lift that left leg down or off the ground. 2 breaths here. Do a little check. Are you still maintaining that rib over pelvis position? Good. From here, we're going to bring that left leg down first. Then that right hip actually reaches back to find the ground. So you're loading that posterior hip to find the ground. I'm still pushing that shoulder away from my ear. Then I rotate the palm. Then I come down to the elbow. And then I push myself over.